Good evening. My name is Bill Pulvera. I'm a student of Group 44, subject PTE 2103. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make a reaction video of the film After the Rain. So this film was dedicated to the memory of Kurosawa Akira. I already watched this film, and this film all about is Arunen, or a samurai who is being compassionate and hospitable to the other travelers or to his friends. And because of that, I was attached on this film, and the scene that I was touched the most is on this part. He is being confronted by two of men of the Lord because they found out that Mr. Misawa was fighting for the money, and that money is intended for his friends because they needed it. But for these two persons, they told Misawa that the one that he's doing is a dishonor or disgrace for being a samurai. Then I was being in touch because Mr. Misawa was putting his life to a danger or fighting or accepting dishonor for the needs of his friends or his companions or the other travelers.
その願いは間違いでした。私。
The two men will come here. Yeah. They will confront Mr. Misawa for what he did. These two men were a servant of the Lord of the Pit.
貴殿は誠に稀なる不芸者。その類のないお腕前といい、高邁なるお志といい。
He is being praised for a good swordsman or on his skills because he defeated and he won all of his fights. This film is good and please watch it. That's all.